Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome in laptop and PC. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up a browser. So in this case, I'll just use Microsoft Edge on my computer. Once you then go and open up a browser, what we then need to do is go and find Chrome. So let's go and search for Google Chrome, just like this, and go and search for it. And then all you need to do is go and make sure you go to the official Google site, which is google.com. And here we are. And then what we can do is go and tap on download Chrome. You can also have this automatic option here. I will untick that personally. So yeah, tap on download Chrome and the download will begin. And if you're using Edge, you can actually get your downloads in the top right, or what you can do is after you have downloaded Chrome, all you need to do is open up your file explorer and go to your downloads and find the installer. But mine's here, so I will click on it and it will then begins. So firstly, you'll go and get a Windows security pop-up, and then you have to agree to that. I can't record it, and the download will then begin. After it's finished downloading, it will then automatically install, and Chrome should go and open up just like this. And I've actually used Chrome before on this computer, so I'm already logged into my account. But if you aren't, you just need to go and log in, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.